How to remove the sensor from the wing strap. Turn the device so that the status button is facing straight down. Place your hands behind it and your thumbs near the upper corners. Fingers can be on the strap just above, still on the wing. Press down with both thumbs and it will disengage from the wing strap. Now on the device, on one side, you will see the USB port. This is where you will use to upload your calories as well as charge the device. And on the direct opposite side, you will also see underneath the barcode is where your serial number is going to be. You will utilize that when you're first activating your device. And that is how to remove the bodybugg SP from the wing strap.